Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make a J-hook clasp. So you need your round nose pliers, your cutters, or your scissors, meaning your X-Acto scissors. You need your awl, your hammer, your, your bench block, and your 16 gauge wire. This is an example of a J-hook, and I don't love this one, although I love this necklace that my friend gave me. This J-hook is like really just kind of simple looking, if you can see it there. So I'm going to show you how to make a good one. First thing I did was I took my wire and I wrapped it around my my awl, and this is what I got. So I get a little spring there. Next thing I'm going to do is this is going to make the eye, or what I hook into. Next thing I'm going to do is I am going to take my spool and create the J part. So all the way at the base. Another thing I can do is I think I want a little bit of a bigger one. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to basically make a loop, just like that. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it, but I'm going to cut it so there's enough room to make the loop to attach it onto the necklace. So I'm going to cut it to about right here. Again, you're going to hold on so it doesn't go flying. There we are. Okay. There's my J. I'm going to take it. There we go. And then the next thing you're going to do is pinch it, bend it back. And there's one other thing that you need that I forgot to mention, and that is you're going to really want to grab your file that end nice and round. Definitely don't want that poking into you. And then feel it with your finger to make sure it's nice and rounded. And if you feel any sharp edges, go again. There. Okay. Now I'm going to hammer it flat to give it a nice look. I'm going to suggest that you don't hold it down with your finger because I'm afraid that you're going to hammer your finger. So we're just going to hold them like this. And you can actually hear my shells on my table shaking. That's what that rattling is. So. And please notice the difference. It's a nice finished look now. Look at that. Now you're going to make that even more closed. Beautiful. Look at that. So professional looking and nice and rounded on the end. I absolutely love it. Thing is, I don't want my necklace to fall off. So just going to give it a pinch and then open it just wide enough to get my necklace through. Okay, next, or my ring throw. Next is I'm going to do the ring. So here we go. So I'm going to take this, cut, might have to separate this a little bit. There we go. Certainly just want to cut one ring at a time. There we go. Here's the nice ring. Now we need to close it. You're gonna have to do this with your 2 pliers, and this is also the time that you take this and you attach it onto your necklace. So you'd put it onto the jump ring that ends your necklace and take the 2 ends and close them. Then give that a nice hammer too. Pretend that it's attached onto a necklace, and you squeeze those ends together. Really important. And then check this out. This would be a beautiful finish and end to your necklace.